Hi guys, and welcome back to the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel, and today we're reviewing another snow foam, which is the AutoBrite Direct Magifoam. So I have tried this before, but it is a really thick and really high cleaning snow foam. So yeah, let's try it out on camera. We did get this from Waxstock. We bought 2 snow foam lancers, and we got 2 of these 500mm free with them. So yeah, why not make a video and try them out. So what is this, and yeah, what we're going to use it for. So this is a pre-wash snow foam called Magifoam, and on the back it says Magifoam is a ultra high foam concentrate which produces a powerful stable cleaning foam pre-wash to your vehicle, containing a special blend of cleaners, biodegradable and foaming agents. Magifoam will assist in the removal of traffic film, grime and dirt from the surface, and it's LSP safe, which is good. So, and the instructions: put about 1 to 2 inches of Magifoam in the bottom of your foam lance bottle, top up with warm water, and then adjust the dilution settings to your liking, basically. And then it says, this is an interesting point: allowed to dwell for up to 30 minutes, then pressure wash, rinse for a 2 bucket method. 30 minutes, that's crazy. So what we're going to do, I'll pop on the screen now the sort of like mixing of the snow foam. So 1 to 2 inches in the bottom. I am using the AutoBrite Direct bottle as well, which is a weird shaped bottle, but it's a bit wider, so well, I think it's made so it doesn't fall over as well. And that bottle has got your dilutions on the side as well, which is handy. So going back to that 30 minutes, yeah, 30 minutes dwell time is a long time. So I don't know whether we'll get that today, but yeah, we'll aim as long as we can. I don't want it to dry in the car because it is quite warm this evening. So let's start applying it to the car, see how thick it is. Well, before I do that, now I'll put some shots on the car of the car. Again, the car, like most videos, it's quite dusty. It's been sat for about a week or 2, not being driven. So any rain and that, yeah, it's just sort of like laid on top. So we're hoping this foam will remove that. I'm pretty sure it will. So let's go ahead and apply the snow foam. Okay, so that's the snow foam on, so we will leave it to dwell as long as we can, but like I say, it is quite warm, so I don't want it to dry, so we're looking for about 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, well, it's just been over 10 minutes now, and the snow foam hasn't actually moved that much. It's still stuck to the side of the car, which is good. You can see on the windows that it is starting to drop, which is fine. But yeah, I will rinse it off now, because 1, I don't think my battery's going to last too much longer, and 2, I don't want it to dry on the car. I don't want it to dry on the car. So let's go and rinse it off, and then yeah, we'll see how well it's cleaned, and then come back and sort of like find out where we can get it from and the price, because that's the most important thing. one, does the product actually work and say what it does on the back of the bottle, and two, how costly it is, whether it costs an arm and a leg or whether it's quite cheap to buy. So yeah, let's rinse this off, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So that's the car all rinsed off. It did rinse off quite easy. I wasn't expecting it to rinse off as easy because of the snow foam was that thick. Sometimes when the foam is like on the thicker end of the scale, the snow foam does sort of like take a long time to rinse off. But the good thing about this, yeah, it didn't take that long to sort of like rinse the car off. Sort of came off really easy once you sort of like got the water behind it, came straight off. So yeah, I do like how it sort of applied to the car, which was thick, not as thick as I've had it before, but I don't know whether that's with the pressure washer I'm using, because before when I've used it, I've used a Karcher. This time I'm using a crank saw, so I don't know whether it's to do with anything like that, but it was still thick. Let's go on to how clean it sort of like brought the vehicle. So I'm going to put some shots on now of the car, and let's see whether we can see whether it has cleaned all that dust off. So as you can see from those videos that I've just put up, the wheel that I showed you, that's come fairly clean. It's quite hard to tell like what the car's state is without letting it fully dry, which unfortunately I'm not going to do because well, I've got some more product reviews to do why I've got the car in this state. But on the front there were a few flies stuck to the front, and the snow foam did help bring those off. It didn't sort of like when you went over with the pressure washer to rinse, they didn't fall straight off. You did have to sort of like go over it one or two times, and yeah, they did come off them. So the cleaning power, it is really good. What I'd like to do is get a more dirtier car and see sort of like how well it does take the actual dirt off. But the thickness of the foam, yeah, it was really thick. And the cleaning power, it was alright. Like I say, I would like to try it on a more dirtier car, just so I can show you guys the sort of like before and afters. So yeah, that's the Magifoam, and well, you've seen the process of it, applying it and taking it off. So the price is, so for this bottle, I've just looked on their website, it's £10, so £10 for 500ml, which is pretty good. I've used quite a lot of it, but in the snow foam lance, I've still got more than half left. So what that would mean is, well, you could probably easily wash the car one or two more times with that. So yeah, I haven't used that much, and for £10, well, it's probably going to last you about half a year, depending on how often you clean your car. So they do this in different sizes. I think a 500ml, a 1 litre, 5 litre, and a 25 litre. The prices are all pretty good. Well, in the way of, if you're sort of like cleaning your car once or twice a month, yeah, the prices aren't that bad. Also, one thing that it did say on the website is that it smelled of cherry, but the smell of cherry isn't really there. It smells more chemically than anything. Don't buy it on the smell, because yeah, the cherry scent isn't really there. But one thing I would mention is that you can get this in a multi-pack, so with the lance, like the snow foam lance, and you get a 500mm. This is exactly what we bought. We bought 2 of these, 1 for each van. And this is normally £50 on their website, and at the point of recording this video, it's £40. So yeah, if you're looking for a new snow foam lance, and you're looking for a snow foam which actually cleans your car and is quite thick and, well, can easily dwell on the car for up to half an hour, this is probably one of the best bundles out there. Before this snow foam lance, like before we started with the vans, I think about 5 years ago, I bought an AutoBrite direct snow foam lance, and it's still going. So I've still got it. I use it with my Karcher. Yeah, it's still going. Never had any problems with it. I have had snow foam lances from other big companies, and yeah, they're just not as good. They don't last. But I've never had to clean this one out. So yeah, 5 years, still going strong. So worth a buy if you are looking for a snow foam lance, and especially if you get some decent snow foam with it as well. So that was the AutoBrite Direct Magifoam snow foam review. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button, and also if you've got any comments or any different products that you want us to try, let us know. We have got a load of products that we bought from Waxstock, which we will be doing over the next month, like recording over the next month to release over the next sort of like few months. So yeah, we are excited to try some new brands and some new products that some brands have brought out as well. So look forward to those. Make sure you subscribe, because there's plenty more videos to come. Also, the van build is coming back as well. We've got the van back, so I will be doing an update video of what happened there and why it took so long, and the story behind that. So yeah, that will be coming in a few weeks. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week for another video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.